Hello, this is Jesse Madrid with yes, you guessed it. This video is about the world's very first Library of Babel text converter. This is not my code, this is AI code. Yes, I know. Whatever. This is going to be a very revolutionary web sim project that I have, you know, was had an idea about, and it somehow works a little bit. It's not that good, I would say, but yeah, not too disappointing. It's so the whole point of the Library of Babel converter is to convert nonsensical English random words, and using an AI algorithm, which is right here, this button should convert all this text to a decent, coherent, and readable text, which we will try right now. For example, you can do anything with this. So let's do. What was I thinking of before? Oh yeah. Oh gosh, give me a second. A little while because the typing is weird on here for some reason. Then we can click on search. And make sure you check mark with the random English words, or else it will not work. If you use any of these other ones, it's going to make no sense, and the algorithm has nothing to really complete. So, yeah. Sometimes it may not make any sense at all. So sometimes it's just gibberish, but let's see if we could copy this. This is the first test. It may not work, but we'll see. We'll copy this entire page, which is page 1 for some reason. I guess it's just how it is. What I would recommend is putting smaller smaller things. Make coherent AI. Let's see if it works. I'm not sure if it's actually going to work, but we'll see. See, well, it got something out of the entire thing. So the only thing we actually got here was something quite interesting. An unusual phenomenon concerning molecular biotechnology has occurred. And it's just mostly gibberish and some other words you can't really make out. But sometimes what I'd recommend doing if it doesn't work with like larger sentences or larger things would be to Donald Trump's entire life. Let's try this, like something a little shorter, and remove the comma. We'll put Donald Trump's entire life and see if that makes it actually have some most English words. So what you want to do also look for is so it like has random English words on the pages, on all pages. So or most pages or whatever, however it does it. So it should be different. Yes, there we go. So yeah, this makes a lot more sense. Yeah, so now we're just going to copy this entire page. I would mostly do an entire page first and see if that works. If you want to do more, I would recommend downloading not PD. I don't know what I just said. A PDF file download for this. So now we're going to erase this entire text right here. We don't need. And now this is the fun part. So we just put this entire text, this page of random stuff, Moscow, all this random stuff. So now the fun part, like I said, is to press this button and make coherent AI, which is the algorithm that should make it hopefully coherent first try. See, yeah, it mixes it up by some AI algorithm. I don't know how it works, but it's supposed to make more sense. But the only problem that I encountered with this was when let's just ignore that. Let me close that out of that. So accurate, proposed. Some things will come together and some things will not still. Like around Moscow, footage hidden in Royal obtained to qualify fewer YouTuber created. So it may not make a lot of sense. So, but still, here's everything. This is version 1.0. If you want to see an improvement, please comment, and I can see what I can do with WebSim to make it happen. So that is the entire video, and hope to see you in the next video if I have an update. And yeah, one last thing, actually, I almost forgot. So if you didn't notice the link for this site, go back. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this site, you want to click this. So the site will be right here. So that's it.